Hello once again, thank you for watching. This is the Sewing Doctor here again in New York. This time we have a Brother 6000i. 6000i, this is a pretty simple machine. The problem we are having today is the machine is running backwards. So there is no problem. Usually 90% of the time, it's just the mechanism on the feed dock is dry. So when it's moving backwards, it's because sometimes the motor gets stuck or there's a lot of dust inside in this part right here. So I am going to show you step by step what to do. First gotta do is make sure that there's no dust in between the feed dock mechanism. You know, it turns like this, it rotates it like that. So you wanna make sure that there's no dust inside there. Also, here, right on that spot over there, you gotta put oil. I'm gonna show you exactly the spot you gotta put oil. What I usually do is I use a WD-40 first to blow it up and clean it. And after, you don't want this sitting on your machine. So what you want to do is, after you put the WD-40, wipe it out, blows it out. I usually have air too. I also have air here that I blow it up with this. If you don't have a compressor, you could buy a small can to put air on there, but don't leave the WD-40 sitting on the machine. After that, then you want to take lily white machine oil, and whatever you put it in, just put oil on the spots and you should be fine. This is a problem that this machine shows many times. As a technician here in City Sewing in New York, we find out a lot of time the customer bring these machines and what they have is just that the machine is very dry and very tight. So running backwards, open up the machine with the screws. I have a video that I show you how to open these machines exactly, because some people loses one screw here and then they damage the machine. You don't want to lose that. Make sure you look at my video on the City Sewing, the CI6000, and then I'm going to show you where to put the oil now and how to do it correctly. Okay, so this is Robin, the Sewing Doctor in New York City. Thank you for watching again. CI6000 running backwards, and the stitch button, reverse stitch button, is not working. So I'm going to show you what to do next. Okay, thank you for watching again, City Sewing. Bye-bye.